So good morning everyone and welcome to today's session of Pre-Bell with William O'Neill India, dated July 19, 2023. So before we go ahead, I would like to give a small disclaimer that registration granted by SEBI, membership of Basel and certification from NISM is no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investments in security markets are subject to market risk and read all the related documents carefully before investing. Let's start with Nifty's chart analysis. As we all know, Nifty is making new highs. And yesterday, Nifty closed near 19,750 mark and created a new intraday high yesterday. But if you talk about yesterday's session uh, and the last few sessions as well, volumes have been really good with Nifty. But the only problem with yesterday was Nifty was highly volatile yesterday. And I mean, as you can see, it kind of reversed from the top and it closed in the lower half of the trading range. So it is not a good sign. And that too on above average of volumes. On the broader market front, even the broader markets underperform Nifty and certain stocks also reversed from its top. So, I mean, I can see some kind of jittery nature by the market. But from the O'Neill front or from the O'Neill lens, if you look at it, the D-Day count, that is the distribution day count, still remains at 1, which is very low. So from the O'Neill front, we are still very comfortable. I mean, what is the distribution day when the market falls uh, by 0.2% on higher on volumes higher than the previous day? So distribution day is used to track weakness in the market. So at this moment, distribution day still remains at 1. So, if we look from the O'Neill angle, then there is still no major weakness in your Nifty 50 or the Indian markets at the moment. If this distribution day counts increase to probably more than 4, your Nifty 50 market status or the Indian market status will go to an uptrend under pressure. A major support for your Nifty is the green line at the moment, that is your 21 DMA. Now let's talk about some key news. So the Federal Bank Board to consider issuance of 7.2 crore shares to IFC at 131.91 shares, a preference issue and raise funds by the way of issue of debt instruments on July 21. ICICI General Insurance Q1 FY24 gross premium increased by 19.7% YOY and net profit grew 12% YOY to 390.4 crores. Combined ratio fell 3 bips YOY to 103.8%. On the FI and DI activity front, FI bought Indian equities worth rupees 2115.84 crores and DI sold Indian equities worth rupees 1317.56 crores. Network 18's Q1 FY24 revenue surged or increased by 142% YOY to 3239 crores and profit declined 25.6% YOY. One of the major results that happened post market hours was your IndusInd Bank, and you can see the Q1 FY24 net interest income grew 18% YOY to 5863 crores, which was higher than the estimates. So, and even the profit increased 33% YOY to 2124 crores. Asset quality improved as GNPA declined to 1.94% from 2.35% in Q1 FY23. So, and an NPA improved 9 basis YOY to 0.58%. So overall, as you can see, the uh, your net interest income and PAT was above estimates, and similarly, your asset quality for the banks have improving as well. So on all the fronts, it was a good result. Talking about the global market update, all the three US indices closed on a strong positive note. Dow Jones closed higher by 1.1%, S&P 500 by 0.7%, and Nasdaq Composite by 0.8%. On the Asian markets, it's kind of a mixed movement you can see. Kospi and Shanghai Composite are trading lower. However, Nikkei is trading on a very strong footing. So Nikkei is trading higher by 0.8%. Your Kospi is trading lower by 0.2%, and Shanghai Composite is trading lower by 0.2%. Talking about the GIFT City, your GIFT City is indicating a muted opening. Yesterday's close was around 19,500 levels approximately. It is currently 5 minutes back, it was trading around 19,800. So maybe a gap up opening of 50, but on a very muted front. And considering probably yesterday's action, I mean, it will still be difficult. I mean, to make new highs. Even today's session is expected to kind of remain volatile for Nifty. Talking about the chart of the day, the chart of the day for us is Voltamp Transformers. I mean, clearly you can see all the ratings either has been very good. Your EPS strength at 95 is very good, price strength at 85, and buyer demand at B plus. Even the stage count is low. I mean, the stage count is stage two, which is very good. And on the left hand side of the base, where you can see the stock was falling. The stock was falling on lower than average volume, which shows that the stock did not show any signs of distribution, which is very good. And on the right hand side of the base, you can see some big blue bars happening, and the stock is still 3% to pivot. So if it can show some further signs of accumulations, it can be very good. Similarly, the I factor is working very well for this stock. I mean, it's a still relatively smaller cap stock at 4,200 near 4,200 crores market cap, but your fund holding has been increasing very well. The previous quarter fund holding for the quarter increased nearly by 21.25%, and overall funds have been increased to 97, which is very good. Your return on equity profile is very good for the stock at 18%, and similarly, last 4 to 5 results for the stock has also been very good. So from now, we would like the RS line probably, which has turned a little flattish or little volatile, to turn higher from here, and the stock to break out from here on above average volumes. So if all of that happens, plus market remains supportive, even the broader markets show good movement, then if the stock breaks out on above average volumes, it can be a good stock to watch out for. So thank you, and that's it from my side. And stay tuned to the space of Prevail with William O'Neill India from Monday to Friday at 8:45 a.m. sharp. Thank you.